Getting enough sleep is important for many things, including overall health and well-being. Sleep is as essential as air is to life, and without enough, we put tremendous strain on both our body and our mind. Although you may think that everything on the inside comes to a stop when you sleep, in reality, it is a time of great healing and regeneration. We also require sleep in order to grow and restore muscle, repair tissue, and synthesize hormones. Here is just a sampling of some of the things that may be ruining your sleep. 1. Computer, tablet, or smartphone use. Electronic devices emit a blue light that can disrupt sleep patterns as it prevents the production of melatonin that is necessary for the body to become sleepy. This would include computers, tablet, phones, or even television. To get the best night's sleep, don't use a device at least an hour before bed. If you must use your tablet or smartphone before bed, be sure to turn down the brightness so that it does not interfere with your sleep. 2. Drink alcohol. Although you may feel yourself relaxing when you drink alcohol and may even fall asleep easily, once your body starts to metabolize the alcohol, sleep is interrupted. Sleep is the time when most work is done to restore and rejuvenate. Because alcohol is a diuretic, you may wake up to use the bathroom throughout the night. 3. Turn up the heat. Even though you may like a toasty house, you will sleep better when the temperature is between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooler your room, the better. Just be sure you have some cozy blankets to get under. 4. Snacking. Filling your belly right before bed could be a recipe for disaster, especially if your snack is processed or unhealthy in any way. Have a light, healthy snack about an hour before bed, and you will find that you sleep better. On the flip side, here is a short list of some things you can do to help your body wind down for the best night's sleep ever. 1. Meditate. Meditation helps you to get your mind right before bed. Take some time to relax, breathe deeply, and empty your thoughts. This clears the distractions and gives you peace before going to sleep. 2. Take a warm bath. A nice warm bath with some soothing lavender essential oil is a great way to pamper yourself before bed. Just don't fall asleep in the bath. 3. Stick to a routine. The body loves a routine. Try to go to bed and get up at around the same time each day, night. Don't stray too much or you will throw your sleep schedule off. 4. Listen to soothing music. Put on your headphones and listen to some quiet and soothing music before bed, especially music without lyrics. It will lull you to sleep. 5. Write in your journal. Emptying your thoughts for the day can be very beneficial to a good night's sleep. This is especially true if you end your day on a good note, remembering all the things that you are grateful for.